Hi everybody. Today we've got a cocktail for those late nights with that special someone. Usually for me that entails Great British Baking Show, but whatever, it's fine. In our last live stream, there was a lot of discussion going on, and we have a drink that is so fitting for that. I'm just gonna dive into it. This is a Luscious drink. It's a dessert drink. This is one at the end of the night, you and whoever your significant other is could sit there and enjoy this together and be like, luscious. I shouldn't say that. What better way to start off a luscious dessert drink than with chocolate milk? I mean, how often do you put chocolate milk with alcohol? I mean, not often. I mean, maybe you do. Maybe I've been living life wrong. 1 ounce of chocolate milk. Almost missed the glass. What is my liqueur of choice? It's something from Tempus Fugit. It is my favorite right now of all of them. The Creme de Banane. Creme de Banane, I think is the French way of saying it. There's no at the end of it. This stuff's amazing. It's like bananas Foster. It's like a broiled banana roasted up. It's just amazing. 1 ounce of this into your chocolate milk. Are you getting just how decadent and wonderful this drink's gonna be? Next ingredient is gonna be Frangelico. What is Frangelico, you may ask? This is a hazelnut liqueur. We've got chocolate, we've got banana, we've got hazelnut. Seriously, people, this drink is dessert, and it's a wonderful dessert. We're doing 1 ounce of this as well. Equal parts on all the things. 1 ounce Frangelico. We have to up the alcohol content somehow, so we're gonna do that with some rum. Some of this Plantation original dark rum works really well in here. Some nice rich flavors to go along with all these other ingredients. I'm gonna do 1 ounce. 1 ounce. Heavy pour as well, I'm a fan. In case you thought it wasn't sweet enough, it's not. We're gonna put a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup in there. Not a lot, I mean, 1/4 ounce of simple syrup's not a ton. Just a little bit. And we're really gonna bring out the sweetness with literally, that's the wrong jar, a drop of saline. Just like 1 drop, bam. It's amazing what that can do to a drink. Amazing. Let's throw some ice in there and we are going to stir this thing up until nice and chilly. That is nice and chilly, so we're gonna pour that into a romantic glass. Is this romantic? I mean, it's kind of like a martini glass. You can just be like, hey, how are you? All right, let's strain this out. Oh, it's dessert in a glass, y'all. It's what it is. I'm not done. We're gonna add a nice little extra texture and aroma to this with just a little bit of nutmeg right across the top. Think of it as the crust on a chocolate pie, because that's really kind of what we're making here in alcohol form. Y'all, this is so good. I mean, just, ooh, that nutmeg. It's great. Hold on. Ooh. That is dangerous. That is a dangerous freaking drink. Ooh, it's so good. First thing I get is sweetness from the chocolate milk, but then all of the liqueurs and everything start coming in. There's that banana, a little bit of that hazelnut, and then that rum at the back. Oh my God. I want to drink all of this right now. Anyway, whatever. For the name of this, it was pretty obvious to me during the live stream. There was, shall we say, a plethora of innuendo flying around the room. So we decided to name this one the Innuendo. It is so good, oh my God. Oh, damn y'all. Okay, anyway, enough, I'll drink that later. For right now, if you like this recipe and you want to see more like it of original cocktails or even some classics, guess what? Click over there, there's some videos. I made more videos. I do a bunch of them. You can watch more of all this stuff right now. Don't forget, once a month I do a live stream where we come up with recipes like this with guests and people in the chat room that are helping out with names and suggestions and all the things. You should be there for the next one over there on Twitch, twitch.tv/weirdlings. Here on YouTube, make sure you click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell. I'm gonna go drink the hell out of this.